Good day and Happy New Year. This is Randy Allen with RWA Financial Services. I thought I'd give you a market update in general, and that is that the grain trends still remain intact for higher markets. I believe this is going to stick around a little bit. I have clients calling and saying, listen, how high can this go? And to be honest with you, I really don't know. The commodity funds are really driving this right now. For example, the Dow's getting crushed. Housing starts are down. The credit problems are still around. And this is giving us an opportunity, unfortunate negative one, for the economy to possibly go into a recession. We have been predicting a recession for 6 months. And it appears to us that we're right on the edge of doing that. Just to give you an idea, too, about how strong the grain markets are, I checked yesterday the stock investment funds that are in the commodity market, and some of the funds are up as much as 42%, and most of them are up at least 36% over the last 6 months. Now, what that means is these funds are obviously making more money in commodities, even for gold, for instance, than they are in the regular stocks. So obviously, these investors are saying, well, we might as well stay with the horse that's winning. A lot of questions, too, on cash grain sales. I kind of want this to be a warning. We think that markets can go higher over the near term. However, I don't want to completely speculate on that. I've been telling everybody to do piddly little sales because at the end of the year you end up with an average price of your sales anyway. So piddly sales means let's do another semi-load or two. Let's don't play a lot of games. Look at your balance and look at the end run on your financial statement and see how well these markets are doing. One of the other things I want to cover is definitely most firms, including us, think that corn acreage could be down as much as 6.5 million acres this year. The increase in winter wheat seedings was not quite as much as everybody thought, and this is what's propelling wheat. It was a weak sister in the rally, and now it's become a full-blown major commodity that's moving higher due to the seedings. Plus, we have a little weather problem. There's still a lot of moisture problems in Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, western Nebraska. One of the other things about wheat, I know I'm talking about wheat a little bit here, but there was rain in Australia. This is making a lot of farmers in Australia a little happier because for the last 2 years they've suffered, especially last year. It's another reason why wheat is higher. But this year could be a little bit different. They may have more wheat to export at the end run of this year than they have in the past 2 years. I would, all of those, and there's a lot of you that have had these call option spreads on, they have done exceedingly well. And we are moving out of those a little bit. If we get a short-term correction, then of some little magnitude, then we're going to stick these options, call options, right back on. I'm assuming that really could happen by the end of this month. Again, I'd like to tell you Happy New Year. Let's piddle out some more sales, semi-load or 2, 3, and let's be careful in here not to overlook our financial statements. Give us a call. We're taking them, obviously, and we're obviously very busy as well. But I would like to thank you for your business, and again, stay in tune with us.